2016 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, airbags, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, power mirrors, rear wiper, privacy glass, remote window operation, rear spoiler. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.